When you select a clip or multiple clips on the timeline, you can press Ctrl-G or Command-G to group those items together. That way, you can move and animate everything at once. You can rename the group by right-clicking the group, choosing Rename Group, and typing a new name. If you need to change something within the group, then you need to click the plus sign. When you click the plus sign, it now opens in a Group tab. This Group tab is a separate Timeline tab. Notice the tab has the same name as the group. In this Group tab, you can edit each individual item. If you need to change a color, edit text, or add media, you can do it all here in the Group tab. You can name the tracks within the group, and those names will be separate from the track names outside the group. Notice that the timeline shows you where the group ends by dimming that part of the timeline. If you need the group to last longer, you can extend it from the main timeline. When you're done editing, you can get back to the main timeline by clicking the main timeline tab or by closing all the group tabs.